Hey guys, welcome to my first ever phone video. Today I'm going to be fixing iPhone 6 screen, replacing it actually, not fixing it, replacing it, because that's what happened. I dropped it too many times, so yeah. And yeah, this is my new screen I just got. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. It's a little bit difficult because I'm trying to do it one-handed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So I am just working on the home button at this very second. As the camera's in focus, and so I'm just going to do that. Put both screws in, and then yeah, and yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I am done. So I am back. I've just put on the home button. So now we are going to put the front facing camera on. Which is that? Which is this thing right here? And I'll get back to you guys as soon as that's done. Hey guys, I've put that. I put the front facing camera on now. So what you guys want to do before you do any of taking your old parts off your old screen and put them onto your new screen, don't do that. You must test the screen first when you first get it. So now I am going to put the screws into this. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have extra hand, otherwise I would probably be recording this whole thing, but I am organizing to get a new battery as well for the iPhone 6. And I'll get back to you guys as soon as it's done. Hey guys, I did this. I don't know. And yes. Hey guys, I've put this on now. And yes, if you guys are wondering, I am missing some screws. So now we can put it into the phone. And it's going to be a bit difficult with one hand, but yeah. And then also, you guys want to unplug your battery before you put your new screen in, others you might blow it up, blow the backlight. I will get back to you guys when it's done. And guys, I'll put that on. So we're gonna see if it works. Because I haven't tested it completely. I haven't put the screen on completely because I tested first. Okay, I'll get back to you guys as soon as it's working. Hey guys, I got the phone to turn on. Now I'm going to test it. I'm going to show you guys my password. So as soon as I'm in, I'll show you guys. Hey guys, I've got it on now and it's working. So yeah, I've just got to put the screen back on now. Yeah, I haven't switched this phone on for ages. So yeah, and I'll get you guys as soon as I get the screen completely on. Hey guys, I've just got the screen on. And I do not or am not getting any slowness from it, lagginess. So yeah, hey guys, so I've just put the screen completely on. It looks nice, and I am not getting any slowness from it, lagginess. So yeah, we can pull the cover off, the protective layer off. And so that's how you do a iPhone screen replacement. And yeah, and it's lacquer. And I've got to do a battery replacement, so that'll be coming up soon. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on. And yeah, that's how you do an iPhone replacement, iPhone screen replacement. And I am just having issues talking, and that's why I sound like this. That's not my normal voice. So yeah, and I am going to do a battery replacement on this iPhone right here. So yeah, and I'm not getting any lagginess from the screen. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.